Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really clean 2012 Honda VT1300 Interstate. This is a beautifully designed bike. It's kind of got that long stretch tank like the Honda Fury. I'm thinking it's probably about the same engine, 1300cc liquid cooled V-twin. Beautiful deep burgundy metallic color. Got lots of red flake in that paint. Really looks nice. Front end looks real good. Got a good tire on it. Don't see any kind of scratches or anything on the front fender. Got a big nice windshield on it, real clean and clear. There's cool looking handlebars. Rider floorboards. It's got a Badlander style seat on it. Set of hard molded leather covered bags. Passenger backrest. Good tire on the rear. Factory exhaust. The bike's just in beautiful condition. Check the mileage on it for you. Yeah, it's only got 1,359 miles. We ran it through our shop. We have a full service department that we check all of our frontline bikes out in and make sure they're ready to go. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. Runs like a sewing machine. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. One of the things I like about this bike is it's got the color matched frame. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.